password. Please enter the new password again. Added successfully number 001. Authentication Administrator. 1. Added user. 2. Delete user. 3. Set automatic login time. 4. Set one-time password. 5. Set volume. Added user. Please enter your fingerprint or password. Please enter the new password again. Added successfully number 002. Authentication Administrator. 1. Added user. 2. Delete user. 3. Set automatic login time. 4. Set one-time password. 5. Set volume. Added user. Please enter your fingerprint or password. Added successfully number 003. Authentication Administrator. 1. Added user. 2. Delete user. 3. Set automatic login time. 4. Set one-time password. 5. Set volume. Delete user. Please enter the number. Delete succeeded. Authentication Administrator. 1. Added user. 2. Delete user. 3. Set automatic login time. 4. Set one-time password. 5. Set volume. Please input automatic login time. Set successfully. Authentication Administrator. 1. Added user. 2. Delete user. 3. Set automatic login time. 4. Set one-time password. 5. Set volume. Set one-time password. Please enter a new password. Please enter the new password again. Added successfully number 003. Authentication Administrator. 1. Added user. 2. Delete user. 3. Set automatic login time. 4. Set one-time password. 5. Set volume. 1. Close. 2. Volume. Low. 3. Volume.